This is a review of the Little Debbie Nutty Bar versus the Walmart Great Value Nutty Bar. So first let's weigh them. The Little Debbie, 2.2 ounces per bar. The Great Value, 2.0 per bar. So the Little Debbie bar weighed slightly more. It came in at 2.2 and the Walmart just 2. Let's compare how they look side by side now. The Little Debbie one, you line them up with the bottom edge even down here. It's much, well, not much, but it's longer. I mean, you can see that it's, I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not, but it's longer. See that that's even in the top. It's just slightly, just a little bit longer. And then it is, I don't know if you can see this or not in the camera, but it's also a little thicker. It looks a little bit, more thicker to me, and I think that's because it's got more layers of wafer in there. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna find out here though in a second. Also, I wanted to mention about the price. The Little Debbie Nutty Bar for a pack of 12, well, there's 6 twin packs individually wrapped. They both have the same packs in each box. I don't have the Little Debbie box. I threw my Little Debbie box away, but I had one left over. Anyway, it's only 20 cents more. This is 20 cents more. You're saving 20 cents by buying this one. And I'm gonna open them up and divide the wafers up. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to open them up here. Let's start with the Little Debbie first. And sometimes when I eat these, if I just kind of like squish them a little bit like this, I can get them to come apart. Okay, good. Alright, so that to me looks like one wafer with lots of peanut butter on it. Hardly none on that side because it all went to the other side. That's another wafer. Lots of peanut butter on, wow, lots of peanut butter in there. Lots of chocolate. So to me it looks like there's 4 wafers. Okay. And I'm going to do the same now with the Walmart Great Value Nutty Bar. See if I can get these divided up like the Little Debbie ones did. So I give them a little squeeze. Okay. Yeah, this one's definitely different. So there's one wafer. Pretty sure that's just one. Lots of peanut butter. Lots of peanut butter on this side. Look at all that peanut butter. Pretty sure that's just one wafer. And then pretty sure that's just one wafer too. Yeah, that's just one wafer. So there's 3. That's interesting. So the Little Debbie Nutty Bar had 4 wafers, lots of peanut butter. The Great Value Nutty Bar had 3 wafers in it. That might be why it weighed just slightly less. Same amount of peanut butter. One thing I do notice is the Great Value, the peanut butter is darker. Let's look at these up close. This is the Little Debbie. This is the Great Value one. The peanut butter is darker. And one thing I did notice whenever I was eating the Great Value Nutty Bars, it does kind of have, the way I would describe it is like, it's not burnt toast, but that's the only way I could describe it. It's almost like the wafers, maybe, the cookies themselves. I know they don't cook them in ovens. They run them on a conveyor and cook them that way, but I mean, I guess they do. Maybe they got this a little overdone or something, because it kind of had just a slightly burnt taste. Now, maybe that's the peanut butter. Now that I'm looking at the peanut butter, because it's darker, maybe that was the peanut butter in there that had the slightly, I don't know what I could describe it as, like a burnt or overcooked taste. Now, the Little Debbies are nice, and I mean, they just taste great. Kind of, they're crispy, but they're still soft, I guess. Sorry, I'm not using the right words here. And but the Great Value is really, I mean, you can even tell in the wafers the way they crunch. This is the Little Debbie, and then here's the Great Value. So it is, maybe they cook them more or something, and even the peanut butter is darker. But overall, I like the taste of the Little Debbie better. I mean, these are fine, but you're only saving 20 cents. That's how much the great value is. It's 20 cents less. The Little Debbie is 20 cents more. And it's slightly heavier bar, it's slightly bigger, lighter peanut butter, but more of it. More wafers, 4 to 3. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.